Nestled in the heart of Southeast Europe, Croatia, with its crescent-shaped geography, is a small yet diverse country. Croatia offers a rich tapestry of landscapes, bordered by Serbia to the east, Hungary to the north, and Montenegro to the south. The country shares a lengthy border with Herzegovina and Bosnia within the graceful curve of the crescent. Streets, creating a picturesque setting that exudes romance. Visitors can meander through the old town, exploring quaint shops and enjoying the local cuisine and atmospheric restaurants. For a breathtaking panorama, climb the top of the church tower, where panoramic views unfold, showcasing the town's distinctive beauty and the scenic splendor of the surrounding islands bathed in the Adriatic sunlight. Number 6. Zadar. A coastal gem steeped in history, Zadar invites exploration of its rich past and innovative present. Roman ruins dot the landscape, showcasing the city's ancient heritage, while medieval churches like St. Donatus Church stand as architectural marvels. Zadar's unique attractions include the sea organ, where the sea creates a melodic symphony through underwater pipes, and the greeting to the sun installation, a mesmerizing light display powered by solar panels. As the day winds down, be sure to witness one of Zadar's famous sunsets, a breathtaking spectacle that paints the sky in hues of orange and purple over the Adriatic horizon. Number 7. Corchuelo Island. Famed as the birthplace of the legendary explorer Marco Polo, Corchuelo is a captivating blend of history and natural beauty. The island's well-preserved medieval architecture, seen prominently in the charming old town, provides a journey back in time. Wander through narrow streets lined with stone houses and visit historic St. Mark's Cathedral, an architectural gem. Beyond its cultural richness, Corchuelo offers pristine beaches where visitors can unwind against the sparkling Adriatic waters and the island's lush landscapes. Number 8. Pula. Perched on the Istrian Peninsula, Pula beckons with a fascinating blend of ancient grandeur and modern vibrancy. The well-preserved Roman amphitheater, the Arena, is a testament to the city's rich history. Delve into the historic city center where ancient Roman ruins intertwine with medieval and Renaissance architecture, showcasing Pula's diverse past. Immerse yourself in the vibrant cultural scene by attending concerts, festivals, and events that bring the city to life. Pula's unique charm is its ability to blend antiquity with contemporary energy seamlessly. Number 9. Makarska. Set against the stunning backdrop of the Biokova mountain range and the Azure-Adriatic Sea, Makarska is a coastal haven celebrated for its captivating beaches. The lively waterfront promenade offers a vibrant atmosphere, lined with cafes, restaurants, and shops. Makarska serves as an ideal base for exploration, with ferry connections to nearby islands like Brač and Hvar, and easy access to the Biokov Nature Park. Whether seeking sun-soaked relaxation or adventure amid nature, Makarska provides a perfect blend of coastal charm and proximity to Croatia's natural wonders. Number 10. Krka National Park. Krka National Park is a masterpiece of nature and a testament to Croatia's pristine landscapes. Renowned for its enchanting waterfalls, the park unveils a series of cascades flowing into crystal-clear lakes amid lush greenery. Visitors can immerse themselves in the park's beauty by walking along well-maintained wooden boardwalks that weave through the heart of this natural wonder. Krka offers a unique opportunity for a refreshing experience, as designated areas allow visitors to swim in the rejuvenating waters, creating an immersive and unforgettable encounter with Croatia's natural splendor. I hope this glimpse into the captivating destinations of Croatia has sparked your wanderlust and inspired your next adventure. Have you visited any of these places? Or do you have other hidden gems to share? We'd love to hear about your experiences and insights. If you enjoyed this travel exploration, stay tuned for more captivating destinations, cultural discoveries, and adventure inspirations. Subscribe for future updates and don't forget to share your travel stories and tips in the comments below. Until then, happy travels and may your journey be filled with unforgettable moments.